Short on time, but still want your home running smoothly? These genius Amazon gadgets are built to speed things up, cut down the hassle, and keep your kitchen and home organized with zero stress. From quick, clean tools to clever space savers, they'll help you get more done in less time. All links are waiting for you in the description. Think of this as a mop, but pocket-sized. The sponge head grabs dust, crumbs, and water spots instantly, then squeezes clean with a simple pull. No buckets or hands-on wringing. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or even car dashboards. It's lightweight, compact, and always ready for quick cleanups. Small tool, big help when mess shows up. Tired of fighting with floppy tape measures? This clever gadget rolls smoothly over flat, curved, or even bumpy surfaces and tells you the length instantly on a bright LCD screen. You can measure fabric, furniture, or even cylinder shapes without a struggle. It remembers your last 10 measurements, so you don't need to scribble them down. Tiny in size, but it can handle up to 324 feet with precision. No more sawing through tomatoes with a blunt knife. This little tool has 4 sharpening stages, so whether it's your chef's knife, paring knife, or even scissors, it's covered. The rubber grip keeps it secure on the counter, and the handle gives you full control. It's simple, safe, and makes every cut smooth again. Just a few swipes, and you're good to go. Snacking on pistachios just got way more entertaining. Instead of wrestling with tough shells, this little gadget pops them open in seconds. The hand crank makes it easy for kids and adults alike, and the anti-slip base keeps everything steady. It even filters out the shells, so you're left with clean, ready-to-eat nuts without the mess. Packing light doesn't mean giving up your tea or coffee ritual. This portable kettle folds flat when you're not using it, but quickly expands to heat water in just a few minutes. The silicone body and stainless steel base make it durable and safe, while the auto shutoff adds peace of mind. Perfect for travel, work, or late-night brews, it's your little comfort from home, anywhere. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Running out of space to dry your laundry? This clever rack hooks right onto your window frame and gives you 8 sturdy holes for hanging clothes. It's made of stainless steel and ABS, so it's lightweight but strong enough to hold a full load. When you're done, just unhook it and tuck it away. Perfect for small apartments or travel. No tools, no hassle. Just instant drying space wherever you need it. Fresh coffee tastes better when you make it by hand. This pour-over dripper uses a fine double-layer mesh to let every bit of flavor through. No paper filters needed. Just place it on your mug, add coffee grounds, and slowly pour hot water. The foldable arms make it easy to pack for camping, travel, or the office. Durable, reusable, and simple. It's coffee your way, anywhere. Sharp corners on paper can look rough, but this little tool fixes that instantly. Just slip in your sheet and press down, and you'll get smooth, rounded edges every time. It handles regular paper, cards, and even laminated sheets with ease. Perfect for scrapbooking, crafts, or professional projects, it makes your work look polished and neat. Small, durable, and easy to use. It's a must-have for any desk or craft kit. Warm soda in the summer? Not anymore. This rapid cooling cup chills your drink in minutes, up to 4 times faster than a fridge. Just pour your beverage inside or place the can or bottle directly into the cup. The aluminum chamber conducts cold quickly, keeping every sip refreshingly icy. Portable and compact, it's perfect for desks, dorms, or travel. Who knew a trash can could actually look stylish? This one has 2 compartments, so you can toss trash on one side and recyclables on the other without mixing things up. Just step on the pedals and the lids open like magic. No messy hands required. The lids close softly, keeping your kitchen quiet. With removable buckets inside, cleanup is effortless and quick. Say goodbye to sore hands and uneven cuts. These electric scissors do the hard work for you, zipping through cardboard, fabric, or leather like butter. The bright LED screen tells you exactly how much power you've got left, and the built-in light keeps your cuts straight. Swap blades in seconds, no fuss needed. With cordless freedom and powerful speed, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Peeling veggies doesn't have to be awkward. This finger grip peeler slips right onto your hand like a glove, giving you total control while you work. The sharp double-sided blade makes quick work of potatoes, carrots, apples, and more. No slipping, no fuss. Its soft silicone grip keeps your fingers safe and comfortable the whole time. Small, clever, and dishwasher safe. It's a kitchen tool you'll reach for every day. Catching bugs just got way more fun. This one-handed tool lets you scoop up insects safely without hurting them, thanks to its quick-release slider. Once caught, you can examine every detail through the built-in 5x magnifier, perfect for curious kids or nature-loving adults. When you're done, simply slide and release the bug back outside. It's an easy, educational way to explore the tiny world around you. Grating cheese by hand is a thing of the past. This electric cheese grater does the hard work for you with a quiet motor and a large chute that fits bigger pieces with ease. 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades let you shred, slice, or grate in seconds. The built-in drawer doubles as storage and a container for your fresh ingredients. Safe, simple, and efficient, it's the shortcut every kitchen needs. Cleaning doesn't have to mean bending and straining. This self-wringing sponge mop comes with an adjustable telescopic handle, so you set the height that works best for you. The wide PVA sponge head soaks up spills in seconds and traps dust and hair with ease. Use it wet for mopping or dry for quick touch-ups. Either way, floors come out spotless. No more bending down or fumbling with plastic covers. This automatic shoe cover dispenser wraps your shoes in film the moment you step on it, completely hands-free. A sharp stainless steel blade cuts the film cleanly, giving you a snug fit every time. One roll handles up to 500 uses, making it perfect for busy homes, offices, or labs. Compact, durable, and hygienic, it keeps your floors spotless without the hassle. Wrinkled clothes don't stand a chance against this clever 2-in-1 vacuum steamer. With powerful suction, it grips fabric so you can steam one-handed, even tricky spots like seams and hems. The steam is reabsorbed and used again, making it 3 times faster than a regular steamer. Clothes come out smooth, dry, and instantly wearable, no waiting around. Safe, quick, and portable, it's the travel-friendly upgrade your wardrobe deserves. Meet the docking station that does way more than just add ports. This 11-in-1 hub expands your laptop with dual 4. 4K HDMI, super fast 10 gigabits per second data transfer, and even 118 watts charging to keep everything powered. But here's the twist. It doubles as an AI voice recorder that transcribes and summarizes meetings automatically. One click, and your calls, lectures, or podcasts are neatly captured in text. It's like a productivity powerhouse sitting right on your desk.